Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow music, the app, and its content to appear in search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Music. Next, in here, tap on Siri and search. Then we go down to the while searching section and then choose whether you want to show or hide app in the search. And the other option is to show or hide the content in search. So choose whether you want to allow or don't allow music, the app, and its content to appear in the search result on the iPhone 15 series. And that's it. So make your selection and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.